Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic shortcut tutorials how to add music. Okay, for example, I will open video. I will open this example video. And now I will move this video into timeline. You can click, drop and drag to timeline. And then for music, you can open file again. I will search for example music. Okay, this is. And then if you want to attach this music into timeline, you can right click in this timeline, go to track operations and click add audio track. Next you can select the music, click and drop and drag into timeline. That's it. To be automatically add music into your video. To decrease and increase the volume of music, you can go to filter, click plus icon. And then we can use gain or volume. In there you can increase or decrease the volume by using this lever. Okay, that's it, how to add music in Shortcut. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.